ang kini 60-second teacher there are kaisa short pieces. I would like to speak in English. At the very beginning of my speech, I would like to thank the president of this program, Mr. Rabindra Deborma, Honorable Education Minister of TTADC, and the chief guest, Mr. Jadu Deborma, Honorable Chairman of TTADC, and the inaugurator of this program, Mr. Purna Chandra Jamatia, CM of TTADC, the guest of honor, Mr. Chandroday Rupini, ex-EM of TTADC, and Mr. Ganesh Deborma, Honorable MDC of this area, and the special guest, Mr. C.K. Jamatia, Chief Executive Officers of TTADC, and Mr. Data Mohan Jamatia, Honorable Chief Legal Advisor, TTADC, and distinguished guest, Mr. Chittaranjan Deborma, retired headmaster, and the awardees in this auspicious day, and the teachers who are present here in this special program. All of you are aware of that today is 62nd Teacher Day. The first Vice President and the second President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on this day in the year of 1888. So, today I want to spell a few words, not his biography, but the importance of teachers. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a strong advocate for education. He believed that education is the key to national development and social progress. He also believed that teachers played a vital role shaping the mind and future of young people. It is said that the quality of nation depends on the quality of citizens, and the quality of citizens depends on the education. The quality of education, in turn, depends on its teachers, who are the backbone of any nation. Throughout history, in the society, teachers have been regarded as the noblest and most responsible people in the society. Due to the major role in shaping human minds and imparting knowledge to the generation for the welfare of mankind and prosperity of society. They educate the next generation and provide them with the knowledge and skill to improve their personal and social lives. That is why teachers are greeting Today, a few lines I quote today in front of you. That why it is saying one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. We found guidance, friendship, discipline, everything in one person. That person is teacher. A teacher like a candle which spends whole life in giving light to many. Wherever you find something extraordinary, you will find the finger of a great teacher. If a country is called the best friend, philosopher, educationist, and guide of the student as well as the nation. At the end of my speech, I want to spell a few words in regards to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, that he was a scholar, renowned scholar, philosopher, educationist, as well as he was a politician also. So in this day, I want to a message to all our teachers that we have a great responsibility in the society to impart education to our children. So this duty, this responsible, we should do as far as possible as your best. So I want to thank to the principal officer, Mr. Saktipoto Babu, and the all the staff of education department that they invite me in this important day and respect me as a teacher. I once again respect my teachers because of you are in a high position in the society. Thank you all.
Belai Jadu ang khoi la ang khoi ugo lo hin no da chi kon mo du jano